2.5-inch dual disc hard disk extraction box installed in the floppy drive of the chassis. Secure with 4 screws. Two signal lines and 2 power lines with small CP. The installation is complete.